Hi everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials, the channel where we break down every part of resumes, letters, and job documents to help you succeed in your academic and professional journey. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to write a strong and professional resume for an internship application. This type of resume is especially useful for college students or recent graduates who might not have much work experience yet, but still want to make a powerful first impression. We'll be walking through a real example resume from a student named Daniel K. Sanders, who's applying for a summer internship in the field of computer science. So whether you're a computer science major or just someone looking to build your first resume, this tutorial will guide you through every section, sentence by sentence. Let's begin. We start with the header, which is the section at the very top of your resume. This is where you include your contact information. Daniel K. Sanders, 625 Briarwood Avenue, Chicago, Illinois, 60616. Phone, 312-555-2078. Email, daniel.sanders@email.com. LinkedIn, linkedin.com/in/Daniel K.S. Anders. So first up is Daniel's full name. This should be bold and slightly larger in font size so it stands out. Then comes the home address. Some students ask, should I include my full address? And the answer is yes, unless the company specifically says otherwise. Especially if the internship is local, this helps the employer see that you're nearby. Next, add your phone number and make sure it's accurate and one you check often. Then your email address, and remember, it should look professional. Use your name if possible, no nicknames, numbers, or casual handles. Lastly, Daniel adds his LinkedIn profile, which is a great move. If your LinkedIn is updated and polished, include it. It shows that you're building a professional online presence. Keep this whole section left aligned and make sure it's clean and easy to read. Now we move into the objective section. This is a brief summary of who you are, what you're studying, and what you're looking for in an internship. Enthusiastic and detail-oriented undergraduate student pursuing a degree in computer science at the University of Illinois at Chicago. Seeking a summer internship opportunity to apply programming skills, learn from real-world experience, and contribute to innovative software development projects. Let's break this down. He starts with enthusiastic and detail-oriented undergraduate student. This shows two key personality traits employers like: positivity and precision. Then, pursuing a degree in computer science at the University of Illinois at Chicago. Be specific about your degree and university. This helps the employer understand your educational background right away. Next, seeking a summer internship opportunity. He clearly states what he's applying for. And finally, to apply programming skills, learn from real-world experience, and contribute to innovative software development projects. This shows three things: his current skills, his desire to grow, and his willingness to contribute. That balance of confidence and curiosity is exactly what internship recruiters love to see. Your own objective should be 2 to 3 sentences. Tailor it to the field you're in and be honest about what you bring and what you want to learn. Now let's move to the education section. Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, University of Illinois at Chicago, Chicago, Illinois. Expected graduation, May 2026. GPA, 3.6 out of 4.0. Relevant courses: data structures, object-oriented programming, web development, database systems. Start with your degree name, then the university and location. Include your expected graduation date, which shows how far along you are in your program. Daniel also includes his GPA, which is above 3.5. Definitely worth adding. If yours is lower, it's okay to leave it out or include major-specific GPA if that's stronger. He finishes the section with a relevant courses list. This is helpful if you don't have much experience yet. It shows what you've been learning and how it connects to the internship. List about 3 to 5 courses that relate to the job. In this case, courses like web development and database systems show that he's already learning skills used in real-world projects. Now we get into technical skills. This is especially important for tech internships, but useful in any field. Programming: Python, Java, HTML/CSS, JavaScript. Tools: Git, VS Code, MySQL, Figma. Platforms: Windows, Linux. Languages: fluent in English, conversational Spanish. This is a clear and categorized list, which makes it easy to scan. We begin with programming languages. These are your core skills in the tech world. Then the tools, like Git, which is used for version control, and Figma for design. These are very useful in collaborative environments. Then the platforms. This tells the employer that you're comfortable using different operating systems. And lastly, Daniel adds languages spoken, which is always good to include. Even basic proficiency can be a bonus in a diverse work environment. Make sure to keep this list honest and updated. Only list tools you've actually used and are comfortable with. Next, we have the project experience section. This is crucial if you don't have work experience yet. Projects show that you've applied your skills in real scenarios, even if they were for class or done independently. Let's look at Daniel's first project, Personal Portfolio Website. January 2025, March 2025. Designed and developed a personal website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Included interactive resume, project showcase, and contact form. Deployed via GitHub pages with responsive layout for mobile and desktop. This project is awesome for showcasing front-end development skills. He gives a clear title, the timeline, and then bullet points that explain what he built, what technologies he used, and the final result. He also mentions deployment, which many students forget. That's a big plus. Next project, Group Project, Library Management System. Fall 2024 semester. Collaborated in a 3-person team to build a Java-based application, created login features, inventory system, and user search functionality. Presented final project to class with code documentation and user manual. This project highlights teamwork and back-end development. It also shows presentation and documentation skills, which are critical in tech roles. When writing your own project descriptions, focus on what the project was, what tools you used, and what you accomplished. Now, let's look at extracurricular activities. Member, UIC Coding Club. 2023, present. Participated in weekly coding challenges and collaborative hackathons. Attended guest speaker sessions with tech industry professionals. This club involvement shows engagement with the tech community and ongoing skill development. Hackathons, coding challenges, and guest talks are all great to mention. Volunteer Tech Assistant, Chicago Public Library. Summer 2024. Helped patrons troubleshoot basic computer issues. Assisted in digital literacy classes for seniors. This volunteer experience shows tech skills applied in real-world community service. Helping others with technology also shows communication and patience, which are highly valued in internships. So don't underestimate volunteer roles. If they involve teaching, tech, teamwork, or planning, they're worth including. Next is the soft skills section. Strong attention to detail, team collaboration and communication, time management and problem solving, eagerness to learn and adapt to new technologies. Even though soft skills are harder to prove than technical ones, they're extremely important, especially in internship roles. This list shows that Daniel is dependable, works well with others, can manage his time, and is willing to learn. Exactly the qualities that make a great intern. Try to include soft skills that reflect your personality and match the expectations in the job description. And finally, the references section. References. Available upon request. This is short and professional. You don't need to list specific people unless the company asks. Just including this line is enough to show you're prepared to provide them if needed. And that wraps up Daniel's resume. Let's do a quick recap of what your internship resume should include. A clean and simple header with contact info. A clear objective tailored to the internship. Your education and relevant coursework. A focused list of technical skills. Project experience that shows what you've built or contributed to. Any clubs, volunteering, or student activities. A few strong soft skills. And a short line for references. Keep your resume one page, use bullet points to make it readable, and make sure it's customized to the internship you're applying for. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more resume and application guides just like this one. Let me know in the comments if you want a version for engineering, marketing, or medical internships next. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck with your internship applications.